What does it mean to geek out? Okay, everybody, so this is the deal with geek out. Geek out is a phrasal verb, and it means to be really excited or enthusiastic about something that you are really interested in, but other people may not share your same level of enthusiasm. We all are passionate about different things, so everybody geeks out about different stuff. I love baking. I like decorating cakes. I can totally geek out about cake decorating. This is another thing that we need to know about geek out. We will see this phrasal verb match with two prepositions a lot of the time. Not always, but a lot of the time. So we will say geek out about something or geek out over something. For example, Anna geeked out about her new bass guitar, or Holly always geeks out over classic Hollywood movies. Okay, so we'll see this phrasal verb pair with those two prepositions a lot of the time. The other thing that we want to keep in mind when we are using this phrasal verb is the fact that we cannot separate this phrasal verb. Remember, a phrasal verb is made up of two or more words. In this case, geek and out. Sometimes we can put an object in between the two pieces. In this case, we cannot. We are going to keep those two things together. So it's always going to be geek out and then your object, geek out over, and an object, geek out about, and then an object. All right, good luck with geeking out, and let us know, what are you passionate about? What do you geek out over? Also, you may hear the very similar expression, nerd out. So in addition to geeking out, we can also nerd out or say, I'm nerding out about something. Just a little something extra to geek out over.